Alright, there's a link down to this program below in the comments. Just install that and you've got this program for free. Alright, I'm just going to show you around the program real quick. Now, what you've got here is each individual phase, each voltage that you can have, currents, and each individual angle in relation to each phase. Now if you go ahead and hit draw, there's some stuff in there. It'll just show you the basic phasor diagram. Hit labels, adds the labels of what they are, the values, pumps up the values, and unbalanced neutral current, it puts in the phasor. Now if the scaling makes it too small, you can just bring up the scaling. See? There you go. Now what you should note is that where it says IN, this is the current in the neutral, it says it's 12 amps at negative 56.96 or 123.04. Now we can see that would be 0, 120, 240. So we can see that IN is at 123.04, so it's 123.04. And negative 56 is that point there. And now what actually happens sometimes is that they're reversed, and that's based on the calculation. Sometimes it needs to be 180 degrees out, sometimes it doesn't. So rather than we work out every possible position and having to calculate the 180 if it needed or not, I've just got this, and it saves me a lot of code. But you can see where it is, so you can see which one it is. But this is all just indication, so you can see if you can do it right, basically. But if you wanted to, you could use this. So if you hit export, it gives you a save as. So you can pick a directory, call it something, and hit save, and it will save it as a PNG file. So if I go desktop, just call it something, and it saves as that, and you can open it up and it's actually got a high resolution. Well, anyway, alright, if you have any problems, just send me an email in the comments below. You'll see there's an email attached. You can just grab it out there if you want. Quick, if you do have a problem installing it, you'll probably find that it's either the framework on your computer is not up to date, but the program should prod you to install newer framework, or it might be a virus detection, killing the program before it even gets a chance to install. So have a look at those two if it's a problem. And that's it. Enjoy the program.